Hi, this is Jewelyn and my grandma.
Hi.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another fun planting with Jewelyn. In this video, I wanted to do something casual and something fun for my grandma and I to do. And I have never done a succulent cacti garden with my grandma. And this is something that I used to do about 4 years ago. I was really heavy into making these type of gardens. So I wanted to go ahead and just gather up a handful of babies in my space, a bunch that came from my patio, in the front of my home, and in my greenhouse. If you haven't watched the greenhouse tour, check it out. It is the video up prior to this video. So I have a terracotta pot here that I think had opuntias at one point, and it's just been sitting in my potting bench area waiting for its time. So in today's video, I brought a bunch of plants and I want to see my grandma create something cool with me. So if you enjoy seeing grandma back on the channel and seeing something different for a planting with Jewelyn episode, give this video a big thumbs up. So the first thing I want to do is fill up the bottom portion with cacti succulent soil, and this is the brand that I like using from Las Vegas. So grandma, you can go ahead and just put a nice layer on the bottom.
That's it?
For now. You can always use the rest in a second. Okay. So big chunky mix. So we have a handful of succulents here that I want to go ahead and try to use. And I have a very big echeveria that I might want to see that could be the focal point of this little succulent garden. I have a bunch of fallout jades as well as some elephant's bush that I've been propagating. Why don't we try to put this here in one section and see if we can work around this and make this our focal point. Now with cacti succulent gardens, you can go really compact. So let's take this out really carefully and try to make this as part of the succulent garden. I think it's gonna look very beautiful. Wow, is that the root ball or what? It's huge. Okay, so maybe, now remember, it can hang off to the side like so. So we can also angle it on the side. I don't know if you want to take off more soil, grandma. No? Good? That's pretty, hanging off to the side. What do you think about that?
Yeah.
Ooh, that is nice. Okay. Now there's one leaf here that is broken. Do you want to maybe face it on the inside, or would you like to just take it off? We have the nicer side shine. Should we just take this off?
No,
just put it off.
It's fine. It's fine.
Okay. Grandma wants to leave the broken leaf, so we'll just leave it. Okay, that looks good already. Because, I mean, it's gonna die. So it's up to you, Grandma, if you wanna.
Okay.
I think that's pretty already. So why don't we work with, do you want like taller pieces here in this?
Yeah.
Okay, so you wanna get maybe, which ones from here? This one?
Yeah.
These are all rooted. Who else? Pick a few more. Maybe this one. Trying to find the nicer pieces here.
Here, right here.
Okay, Grandma wants a bigger one here.
No. Here.
Okay. Would you like one more? Maybe?
For now, it's okay.
Maybe this one? And gang them up together.
Wait, gotta make hole.
So you want it there, you think?
Okay.
Okay, now we have a bunch of options here. We can add this flapjack here. Would you like another one? Maybe somewhere off to the side? What do you think? Do you like them next to each other? Or do you want something in between?
Yeah, in between.
Okay. Now, I have options here. I have some jades here.
Yeah,
when you want to use this.
Yeah.
Some cressulas.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
Yeah.
Okay, we're working through it. How's it looking over there?
Very nice.
Do you want another smaller one, Grandma, right over there to be in that corner pocket?
Oh, I don't know yet. Kind of.
Right here for that space? Maybe? How's it going? What do you guys think? I think it looks good so far. Alright, now in this back portion, we have another echeveria here we can utilize. Maybe somewhere over here.
Wait, no, we need.
Maybe. I have one more here too. Okay, these are cuttings from Jewelyn, so you can just pick and choose which one you want. What do you guys think? I think it looks so cute.
Take it out. Okay.
No, these are all individual cuttings.
I know, but just put it
So
in.
you want it in this. Yeah, these are all.
Okay.
This one is broken, so let's not use that. Maybe use this one here. And maybe use this one here. What do you think? That looks nice. Should we leave these in the planter or?
No, this,
Okay, not the greatest.
Yeah.
Okay, these will go back in the greenhouse. Now, would you like
some
to? Okay, there's more soil. Would you like maybe to utilize this echeveria here? So I decided to bring the camera this way so you can see what's going on behind. Do you want them side by side or spaced out and put jade in between the echeverias?
Yes, right here. And then the jade in between.
Okay, so guys, I'm doing it vlog style so you can see what we're working with and the top point of view of this garden. So these are all fallouts that I picked up today. It's been really windy. So Grandma, do you want to maybe cut sections of it and stick the stems in soil? Pick some nice ones if there is any. Here's one here.
Mm-hmm.
Anyone we can utilize in this. Because these will root up in soil, so not a problem. I don't know if you want to stick some in here too.
I'll pick one over there.
Okay. Got little baby ones to fill up. Here's another good one too. Everyone is accounted for. These little guys I'll just go ahead and I'll propagate. Looking good, Grandma. I really like this big echeveria here. Would you like another one of these? Maybe we can use this campfire jade here. Would you like these?
Yeah, or right here.
Here's one. Let me give you the other one. Here's another one. And maybe we can use, I'm looking at what else we have here. Another cressula, galoom.
Maybe here.
Here you go. It's looking good. Okay. It's just utilizing whatever I have in my collection. Very fun. Would you like more jades to
No,
fill up right here?
I like to feel there, but I don't want that.
You don't want jade, you want something else?
Too flat, this one.
No? Okay.
What else you got?
Looking. Well, we can do maybe little jades if you want. I don't know.
Oh yeah, you do that.
Maybe some little guys here. Trying to see what else we have we can take from. Maybe there. That's another. There's another one. Grandma's first succulent garden. You can also trim the bottoms too, Grandma, but I think it's good for it to be long so that it won't fall out. Do you want another one? They bunched them up together. Anything else you would like to add in there?
No, I think it's enough.
Okay. So let's clean up and see what we ended up with. So just a quick little overview of what it ended up looking like. I think we did pretty good for using whatever I had in my collection. And I love it a lot. This is nice. It's a little something something. I'm gonna wrap up today's quick little planting with Jewelyn, making a DIY succulent garden with a handful of plants that I currently have in my collection. Grandma, give it a spin. So this is Grandma's first succulent garden, and this is just using whatever I have. So I didn't have to go out and plant shop, and I think for whatever I had and whatever we use, I like it a lot. And this is Grandma's first time creating something like this. How was it, Grandma?
Very nice. Very, very nice.
What do you like about this piece?
Well, first of all, from tall to small and hanging, it makes it different from other looks.
Now, do you like it in a garden or do you like it separated in individual planters?
No, I like it like this.
Okay.
It's cute.
All right. So if you enjoy seeing Grandma back on the channel and creating our first succulent garden together using plants I have in my collection, give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Subscribe for daily uploads. We'll figure out where we put this, maybe somewhere here on the Tiffany blue table to enjoy. But we are approaching lots of rain in 2 days while we're away. It's gonna rain for 6 days. So I'm very nervous with the collection because we won't be here to fight for them. A nice comment for Grandma. Give this video a big thumbs up. And subscribe. If you're new, welcome. And if you are happy to see Grandma back on the channel, let her know in the comments down below. And we are off to celebrate the holidays with Catherine and her husband. So until next time, aloha from
Santa Monica,
California. Bye.